Trade me shirts. Okay, I had to move my coffee table to right here. System malfunction. I laid down some plastic to protect my coffee table. I suggest that you use something because one thing that I do know, it's dye. I got this tie-dye stuff for $1 at Walmart. Because we're girls and
we're cute.
I got the pink one. And only $1 at Walmart. So this dye was cheaper than the shirts. So then I got me a shirt, I got my daughter a shirt. I really hope this fits her. I've been watching other YouTube videos and tutorials on how to tie-dye shirts. I haven't tie-dyed shirts since I was in the 1st grade. And if you do the math, that was a very long time ago. The directions on the back basically say, tie the fabric in desired technique, add water in the dye bottle, shake until the dye is dissolved, apply dye to fabric, wrap in plastic, let it sit for 6 to 8 hours, and then reveal. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna go mix these really quick and I'll be back in a jiff. First tip that I want to share with you guys, make sure before you even think about opening these, put the gloves on first. My hands already look like I murdered something. Start with Stella's because hers is smaller. The technique that I'm gonna do is something super intricate called scrunch. Actually, it's not. It looks like one of the easiest things to do. There really is no technique. You just scrunch. And all you tie-dye lords and lordesses are probably screaming at the computer screen like, stop! Calm down. Ah, my form. Does my form even matter? That's kind of cool, right? She's doing it wrong. Good enough. The light's too bright. Whatever. That's what we're dealing with. My shoe. Okay, it's a lot different when you're doing a gigantic shirt. I think this rubber band's gonna fit. Got mine, got Stella's, and guess we're gonna paint. Here I've got fuchsia, purple, pink. Let's do fuchsia. Okay, I pretty much used all of this dye. Gonna throw these in some bags. And Stella's was just super easy. Hers is gonna turn out phenomenal. I'm gonna put mine. So I put mine in a plastic. Now we let it sit for about 6 hours. I'm gonna give it about 4 or 5 because I want it to look pastel-y, I guess. I'll let you guys know what it looks like. Ta-da! All right, so here is the final product. I mean, Stella, you look so cute. People are gonna think I'm crazy. Oh my goodness. So I'm super happy that me and my dog have matching shirts now. Oh, you're heavy. She is 3 months postpartum, but I love it. I can't wait for us to look good at the dog park, right? Right? This is Stella, my Frenchie. She is the alpha female of my dog pack. Yes, she is the smallest, but that doesn't stop her from making sure that the cars, cats, the ghosts, the wind don't come in the yard. As you can see, she seems to really, really like her shirt. This was a lot of fun and it was super easy to do. Okay, for the grand finale, we're gonna do what all the beauty tubers do out there.
Autonomy is an illusion.
montage made me super winded. Yeah, these came out so cute. Huh. This was a good bonding experience. Am I boring? I definitely think Stella's came out better. Trade me. Come on, trade me shirts. So that was it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing me create something really fun for me and my dog. We match now. I cannot wait to go to the dog park and get dirty looks from people. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I put out new videos every week. I hope you guys try this at home. Again, the dye kit for the 3 colors was
$1.
and they had different choices, and the shirts only cost about $3 each, so was pretty cool to do. I think Stella and I are gonna go flaunt our new friendship shirts together. So thanks for watching. Bye. Bye. I give this shirt 2 paws up.